Today we will cover a new topic. Like and you can see, we have a admin column in our database table users, and which user have admin equal to 1. That means that user is a admin. Okay, that situation we will update by admin panel. Uh, First of all, let me call users. Okay, and my sidebar menu I will create. First of all is user interface, then I will update that by our controller functions. Okay, now it's li, so let's say li anchor tag will be, let's say, your url slash admin and users, simply users, we will call it by users. Okay, and let's say users, we want to change its rule. Like you can make any user a admin. Okay, now set the route web.php in the middleware of admin. Call your new route, it's get route, users and admin controller as users. Okay, now guys, go to your app http and your admin controller. Now make a new function. Okay, new function name is user, function users, user data, let's say user data, table name, users, and let's say get all. That's all. Return view admin dot new your blade users. Compact you can use with also, but this time is users data, users data. Okay, nice. Now make this name of blade in your view, resources, view, here admin folder, make here just simply new file, call it users dot blade dot php. Okay, copy any of your styling, copy this, apply here, and section. Okay, and your divs, you can copy this section. Yeah, you can copy table also, and it's your table, the body, we need table also, so I am just copying from product blade and its table, close this div and both of these sections, div, close two sections, section. Now I think I am okay. Just refresh. Yeah, it's okay. Delete the extra parts. Now check which column we have is its name, email, its role, we will not displaying password, but we will display addresses behalf of user ID. That will be later. Okay. Name, let's say users name, email, role. Role will be a let's say role must be your select drop down menu. First of all, collection name and sorry, mm, here your email. We will replace in dynamic data, but I am just figure out um, content user interface, and here name is role, and role you may say it's user or the admin. Okay, and class on control because it's bootstrap, and select option value admin, yeah, or you can see one for admin option, second value 0, you can use null also, and here user option. Yes, delete the extra part. Okay, refresh, uh, close the td, close tr. We are already close tr, not here. Okay, now refresh your user interface. You can see it's now go to admin, join this with address table. Here address table has a user id. Okay, user id equal to your users dot id. I think I am okay. Refresh. Yeah, no error. Now try to display user address. You can say city, country, state. Yeah, but uh, wait a minute. We have multiple rows for particular data. That's will be little bit problem, but try to make it. Here is your tr. Okay, start a for each and users data as user data, and your for each display here name, user data, not users, user data, name, copy this for email. Okay, go to front end, your admin panel. You can see, yeah, it's multiple data because we are using this join. Okay, if I use it first, I think it's not works. Okay, for now, remove this join. We will figure out later. First of all, we have this users. Now we want to display and update this value. Okay, here if users data, let's say user data admin equal to 1, and you can say selected, yeah, selected, and here and if something wrong, I think. uh, Wait a minute, refresh. Copy this for second one, copy, and here we will use 0. No, it's not works. Uh, Wait a minute, admin equal to 0, admin equal to 1. Let me try to display this user data admin with name. It works. And I forgot to change this email ID. Okay, everything's fine. And let me use my PHP tag. If user ID equal to this, then I will use this one, and else is not selected. Just copy this line. Okay, use it for second one. This time we will use 0. Here 0, we just want to check who is admin, who is not admin. Let me see what is wrong is that. User table is admin. Okay, it's not 0 there. It is empty, I think. That's why it's not was working. Yeah, you can see user admin. Now back to your blade. Okay, here not is user, so make it empty. Yeah, you can see that. One more thing, user data empty or 0, admin 0. Yeah, you can see it's user is admin, is user admin. Okay, now make your ajax call with help of jQuery. It's id role. Okay, here start your script. Script close. We will call it by id and fetch that particular id value. For that, just start documents, sorry, document Dot ready. Okay, here start your function, and we have a ID. Let's say role role value will be coming from that particular role ID. Okay, dot value. Okay, now try to alert role, but when it's work, I need to change the function according to that situation. Okay, role dot change function, cut this, refresh. If I try to make it admin, I think I have any error. Okay. Mm, it's not making because I think I have some jQuery not included that point. Go to my masters. Wait a minute. Yeah, problem is there. It's not jQuery included for that. Let's say go to your front where I'm using this type of master, and here we have a jQuery. Just copy this. I think it's enough. Go to admins master. We have not here jQuery. That's why I think refresh. Okay. Yeah, it's now solved your problem. Close the extra pages. Go to your user code blade. Now we have a data for this particular. Yeah. But if I try to change this one, it's not working because we have a multiple value. As you know, we have to start a for loop for this. Let's say start from 1 and maximum you can say 15 for now. We will fix and plus plus. Okay, here just add id in the id according to your loop value. Okay, and copy this. Okay, now we need here also, let's say count roll, start from 1, not here, outside the loop. Okay, and inside the loop just say plus plus, make it increment, and in your id just make here your id call it. Okay, just call it. Okay, I think I forget to uh, I think everything. Okay, refresh. If I change to second, something is problem. mm, it's all we can check on the source. uh, Role, you can see roll 1 2 3 4 5 6. That's 14 because I will loop is here is not working fine. So spacing for that. Why is spacing? I think for that, uh, refresh, control U, and here is not responding right. Oh, I I not noticed this one. Okay, now I think it will be work. Refresh. Try to randomly change the role is 1 and make it again user is 0. Okay, right. Now go to your user here. Just start Ajax and pass your value to second page. For that, just remove the this one alert Ajax. I'm sorry, my keyboard is not working fine. And Ajax type, you can say get and data. Yeah, data will be user ID and your role ID, role value. Okay, here user ID. User ID will be uh, let's say user ID. Okay, and start new with and here is role value equal to yes role value and URL will be something like uh, URL not like that. URL also like your default URL and admin middleware slash update role. That's fine. Okay, that's is your uh, it's your here a comma and that's all. Success. It's your success function will say console message response response, or you can use console.log uh, pass successfully. That's nice. Okay, Now we need here pass your I value from for loop. That's nice. We need here user ID. User ID will be from our input. We will make now. Mm, let's say in the loop input type text value user data and its user ID. That's nice. And ID will be user ID with count row. Uh, Count row. That's all. Okay, now see the refresh. You can see this. You can make it hidden. Okay, nice. Now open your console. Change it. Refresh. Uncatch. We have a error. We have an error in the get. Ah, it's not like that. It's like that. Refresh. We don't have any error. Just change it to admin. Now you can see. Oh, spelling mistake. Where is role? I think I'm not uh, finding it right. Mm, guys, it's little mistake here and here. User ID need to like this. Okay, refresh. Make it admin. Now you have a data. And wait a minute. You can see you have a data user ID 1, value 1. Now randomly change it. Clear console is make it admin. You can see user ID 1, make it 1. Change again, switch to user ID 1. It's showing error because I don't have this route. Go to your web.php. Here, route get and admin controller at the rate this. Make it new function in the admin. Same name of function. Public function. We need request. Okay, we need request. Request will display your all data, but I will display request ID. No, I'm not getting any ID. I'm getting user ID. Refresh. change randomly, save successfully, go to network. I think you will see your value not going here. Okay, no problem. Okay, now we have this user ID. Okay, and role role value request role value. That's all. And now update role. Sorry, db table name. Table name is users and where where id equal to this user id. I hope so. And update will be with array admin role role value. That's all. If say update role is okay, role is updated successfully. That's all. And don't forget to update this console value with response going from coming from that particular controller. Okay, refresh. Now go to any randomly user and try to see here value will be changed if everything is okay. Admin. Okay, now I can see it's nothing because I think my query is wrong. Ah, let me see it with this refresh. User it's 0. It's okay. It's user ID. Let me show your user ID. The user ID is not coming. I think problem is here. Ah, its user ID variable name is wrong. Okay, just remove this echo. Try to get your actual data after update. Okay, make it user role is update successfully. Now check it's now user is make it. Now make it again admin. Okay, I think my connection is because I changed my value from that. I can't open it without make me one. Okay, it's redirecting to my home. It's not getting it. No problem. If I go to home admin, I will not change my value because it's too dangerous for me. I will change the other value. Make it admin. Role is updated. Now make it again user. Role is again updated. Nothing is changed. Just make it 0. Okay. Now role is updated successfully. Now we will display this data with our div. For that, uh, we will make it success message, success message uh, with I, I value. Okay, and HTML response. That's all. But we need to make it hidden by default. Okay, make it hide because we don't need this. And after this, make it ID success message. Okay, success message with your counter. Is count roll. Okay, and just close the div because message will come from your controller. Okay, everything is okay. Just make it more viewable. Alert success. Okay, go to your admin, refresh. Try to change any randomly user, make it admin. It's not role is updated, but it's not showing my data that one. Mm, wait a minute. We can check with this. Let's say success message. Yeah, we have success message 123. Height. Here is response. Let me check. Here is your messages. But I think we have not messages here. ID 123. Okay. It's little funny. I forget to make it show again because I don't want to it hide every time. Just refresh. You will see a message, success message. Make any user admin. Now role is update successfully. Okay. Now refresh. You will see it's already admin. Okay. Make any other admin. Role is updated successfully. Make it again. Refresh. Now you can see make it again user app. Now only I am only admin, not this one also. Role is update successfully. Now in there you will see only one value I have. Okay, make it admin. You can see first value have already admin. Okay guys, see you in the next video. We will cover many topics in this series like a update order same this functionality, and we will give functionality to user upload their profile pic, and we will change user information by admin. Okay, see you in the next video. Thank you guys.